This is your weekly real estate update for the greater Portland, Maine area. These are median numbers for closed sales in the last 7 days. So days on market went down a little bit to 33 days on market. The list to sale ratio went back up a little bit to 99% of 100. So if you listed your house in the greater Portland area in the last 30 to 40 days, you probably got pretty close to what you were asking for it. The median sold price went down to $450,000. The average 30-year fixed interest rate ticked up quite a bit this week to 7.13%. And of course, the big news of the week, the US inflation came in higher. We're at now 3% year over year. So let's talk a little bit about those inflation numbers and what that means for us. So the Federal Reserve tracks inflation among other economic factors. They're watching the 10-year bond, the treasury note, and they're using these numbers to decide whether they want to lower their rate, which in turn lowers the mortgage rate. So when they saw the inflation numbers come out, a lot of experts said, hey, we're probably not going to get a cut in March. We're probably not going to get rate cuts in May. We're probably going to not get rate cuts in June as well. But why did inflation go up? So a weight of 44% of that inflation number was shelter costs. And the important thing to know about shelter costs is that the shelter cost data, particularly for rent, is 1 to 1.5 years delayed. So the numbers that they're using in this month's consumer price index and core inflation are from almost up to a year and a half ago in rental numbers. What is actually happening with rental numbers right now is that they've been going down. They've been going down month over month over month. So a little frustrating because the data that they're putting this together with is outdated. It's not actually what people are experiencing right now, but we're having to have the results of it right now anyway. Overall, I think it's continuing to support the fact that we're not going to see those rates drop anytime in the near future, that if you have a real estate decision to make right now, you shouldn't be waiting for prices to drop in Maine, you shouldn't be waiting for rates to drop in Maine, and you should really be looking at your local market. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, reach out. Talk to you soon.